Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the iceberg collision of the RMS Titanic. We are not going to talk about the sinking scenario of the Titanic in this video. I will cover that topic later in another video soon. And before we begin, click subscribe for more Titanic videos. Let's get into today's topic. It's 11:40 PM on 14th April 1912. The RMS Titanic steaming in roughly 21 knots at the middle of the Atlantic Ocean and near to the Newfoundland. Titanic's Captain Smith retired to his cabin, and the first officer William Murdoch is the officer in charge at the bridge. Quartermaster Hitchens is at the helm or the steering wheel of the Titanic at the time. You see, during that time period, there were no radars installed on board the ships, so they used very high masts or the crow's nest to see what's ahead. Lookout Frederick Fleet and Lee was at the crow's nest on the time. At 11:40 PM, Lookout Frederick Fleet spotted the black outline of an iceberg. After that, he struck the bell 3 times to indicate there's something ahead. Then he took the telephone and called to the bridge immediately, and the officer Moody answered to the call, and he asked, "What did you see?" And Frederick Fleet said, "Iceberg right ahead." Meanwhile, William Murdoch also saw the iceberg and rushed to the bridge and said, "Hard as starboard" to Mr. Quartermaster Hitchens, and that means turn the ship to left side, and he immediately responded and started to turn the helm of the Titanic to the left side. After that, William Murdoch rushed to the bridge from the wheelhouse and put the engine auto telegraphs full stop, and some says he put full astern, which means he reversed the engines, but we didn't know what happened exactly. And then he put the warning alarm to the boiler rooms to order to shut all the fire dampers, and it's been 40 seconds, the engines were stopped and boilers were shut down. But it was too late. The RMS Titanic struck the iceberg on her starboard side below the waterline, damaging 6 of her watertight compartments. The whole ship started to tremble, and most of the third-class passengers felt this collision. Just after the collision, the William Murdoch ordered hard port, which means turn the ship to right side so the propellers of the ship will not collide with the iceberg. And then First Officer William Murdoch rushed to the wheelhouse, pressed the button on the watertight door indicator to close all the watertight doors, and all the watertight doors were shut down. And now you know how the RMS Titanic collided with the iceberg, and I will cover the sinking scenario and all the other details of the Titanic in other videos soon. So make sure to subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and comment something below. We'll meet in another video. Have a nice day, everybody. Thank you so much for watching.